What's up guys, it's Parker here, and welcome back to another Minecraft video on Skywars, and today we are starting right in the game. I was all frantic, I was just about to join a match, and then I'm like, hey, why don't I make a video? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? The first part of the video. I'm sorry guys, but I have to start it like this. I'm sorry I had to do that, but it was the only way. Yes, what is this, snowman map? Yeah, I like the snowman map. So, make sure to like and subscribe to the video and comment if you subscribe saying I subscribed, and I will make sure to comment back to you and subscribe to you and like your videos. Today we're going to roast a lot of noobs. Roast whatever noobs we can, because I love to roast noobs. Like, who doesn't like to put noobs out of their misery? You know, like, roast noobs. Normally the noobs are haters, sometimes the noobs are homies, but then you just try to team with them, but then you destroy them. You destroy them, make them wish they were never born. Make them cry. That's how you win. So yeah, I told you in my first video of Skywars, the technique I love to use is really cool. I told you guys that. I hope you listen. I don't know if I really want to use it right now. All I want to do is just roast this guy. Wait, is there a guy behind me? No. Good, there's no hater noobs behind me. What trick do you... Okay, fine, I'll use the technique. Are we gonna get a yes? Please get a yes. If he goes up and down, that means yes, so maybe we'll get an up and down? You know, something like that. Oh, and I hated that noob from the beginning. Like, when I was loading in, when I was about to get into a game, a guy with an Alex skin named Steve walked by me. I'm like, I hate that name. Like, Steve is so old, right? Okay. Maybe considering this guy looks like a noob. I'll be able to knock him over the edge or something, or use the teaming technique. You know, something like that. Ooh, are they trying to roast each other? Don't go after them. That is not a good thing to do. You don't want to go straight for... Well, sometimes I like to go straight for the kill, because as you practically just saw, I went straight for the kill. What kind of a name is that? A noob name, I'll tell you that. Just gotta wait for that noob to come over to us. Please fall off. Actually, I do want to fight a lot. Yo, he's in a chest. I'm not gonna fall for that trick. He'll just be able to knock me right out. That's a good position, but what if he has a better sword or something? That's a technique I can't beat. When I say that I saw it on Mulberry Street. He's a diamond sword, guys. He's gonna roast us. Yo, I can hit him from up here. Wait, he can hit us from up here. Why is that noob not falling? Oh, that was a weird glitch. Guys, we can't survive this. We just need to take one hit and we're dead. We take one hit from his sword. We are dead. Look, see? We get... Yeah, see? Oopsie. That was a little something I just did. I do not like this map. I cannot handle that map. I'm telling you, I cannot handle that map. Okay. But meanwhile, tell me what's going on with your channel. Tell me about future videos that you want me to make. And just make sure to like and subscribe. Good, that Asian map is about to be over. It should be over now. Oh yeah, my specialty. My speciality. Hold on, we're gonna try to get down early. I know that doesn't work, it's kind of newbie. Okay, don't worry. Wait, not a hacker just joined? Wait, I'm pretty sure he quit, right? Let's see if he quit. Nope, he did not. He did not quit at all. Why is it so hard to do this? Yes. It's hard to do it without stopping the video. Well, I know that you can't see the thing, but on my screen it shows how long I've been recording. And right now we're 8 minutes and 22 seconds in to the video. And yeah, you guys might not be able to see it, but I can see it. Believe me. And if you don't believe me, then believe me. Okay, come on, we're gonna roast this guy super hard. We're gonna roast him so hard. I love making videos. We're gonna roast this guy so hard. Okay. I know we're using glass. Sorry, snowballs don't work, noob. Oh my god, noob. What a noob. He uses wood? Of course he died. What a noob. Ooh, we're low on hunger. That's because we just bottled. That's because we just roasted him. Okay, let's go. We will build off. And yeah. Wait a second. Do you guys just want to end the video here? Let's get one more kill on a noob, if we can. But if he kills us, I'm going to end the video too. Either way. If I kill him or if he kills me. Still going for it. We're going to end the video either way. Let's keep going. Okay, let's go. We're so close. Okay, come on, let's go. We gotta go. We gotta roast this guy before we get to the, like, 14 or 13 or something minute mark. Why do you have a wooden pickaxe? You can't break blocks, noob. What do you think this is? Like, actual Minecraft? This isn't normal Minecraft. Wanna try me, bro? Wanna try me, bro? Wanna try me? I dare you. I dare you to come over to my face right now and roast me. I dare you to wreck me. Come over to my face right now. Roast me. Roast me. Oh, let's see what you can do, noob. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, let's make this guy super angry. Wait, not quit. Huh. Noob. Okay, it looks like we're gonna end the video here, just as I said. And make sure to like and subscribe to the video and my channel. And also make sure to check out these YouTubers, Popular MMOs, Gaming with Jen, Pink Sheep, and Unspeakable Gaming. Bye.